Hello friends, I am Kaustubh and I am back with a new video. So today I am going to tell you interesting information about Africa. Friends, I have also uploaded video on the continent Asia. If you have not watched my previous video on continent series, please go to description box and watch it by clicking the link given there. This information sheet in PowerPoint presentation contains in 8 slides. Hope you will enjoy and find these information interesting. So let's begin. Africa is the second largest continent of the world. It is also the second most populous continent. It has dense rainforests, extensive grasslands, and huge deserts. Elephants, zebras, giraffes, lions, and cheetahs roam in the wild. Gorilla, the largest ape of the world, found only in the tropical forest of Africa. Hippopotamus swim and frolic here in rivers. There are big cities like Nairobi of Kenya and Cairo of Egypt. In this continent, large cruises full of tourists sail on its river Nile. You can enjoy the ride and see the farmers working in their fields along the river. Sahara is the largest desert of the world situated here. Africa is the largest producer of gold and diamonds. You can visit the diamond mines. Friends, the word frolic means play or move about in a cheerful and lively way. Africa physical features of Africa. The greater part of Africa consists of a high and a flat plateau. It is similar to a Deccan Plateau. The plateau rises abruptly from the sea coast. In some parts, coastal plains are absent. There are two large deserts, Sahara and the Kalahari. Rivers and lakes. Longest river of Africa are Nile and Congo. Victoria, Tanganyika and Nyasa are three large lakes. Climate. Most of the Africa is warm or hot. Rainfall varies from place to place. Rainfall occurs throughout the year in rainforests. Very little rain occurs in deserts. Plants. Dense rainforests are found in the middle of the Africa. Here plants grow quickly. To the north and the south of rainforest, there are open grasslands. Mahogany, ebony, and teak are important trees of rainforest. Acacia, a thorny tree, and baobabs are trees of grasslands. Date palms grow in oases in deserts. Wildlife. Elephants, lions, cheetahs, giraffes, zebras, hippopotamus, and various types of wild animals of Africa. Natural hazards. Volcanoes and earthquakes are major natural hazards of Africa. Very high and very high sand dunes occur in Sahara Desert of Africa. This is one of the 1500 active volcanoes located in the Great Rift Valley. The valley runs through the eastern part of Africa. Lions roam freely in the forest and savanna grassland of Africa. African lions are somewhat different from Asiatic lions. Africa political countries. Africa has 57 countries. Before 1960, most African countries were ruled by Europeans. Algeria is the largest country in area. Nigeria is the largest number of people. Cities and towns. Most of the people live in villages. They are either farmers or pastoralists. Lagos and Cairo are the big cities. Population. The people of Africa belong to many ethnic groups. Arabs live in the northern Africa. Dark-skinned people live to the south of the Sahara Desert. South Africa is home to most Europeans living in Africa. Languages and dialects. Many languages are spoken in Africa. Arabic is the language of Arabs. Blacks speak their native language. Europeans speak English, French, and Portuguese. Agriculture. Maize, rice, wheat, cacao, and cotton are major crops of Africa industry. Africa is the least industrialized continent. Only 15% workers are employed in industries. The Sphinx and the pyramids were built by the ancient kings of Egypt. Kings were known as pharaohs. Pyramids were built to bury kings and queens. Cairo is the capital and modern city of Egypt. It is one of the largest cities of Africa. Cocoa bean come from a cocoa tree is a scientific name. Its scientific name is Theobroma cocoa, which literally means food of gods. Ivory Coast, a country of Africa, is major producer of cocoa. Cocoa is used to make sweet chocolate. Friends, the word pastoralist, a sheep or a cattle farmer. Some things that you should know about Africa. Area of Africa is 3 crore 65 lakh square kilometers. 3 crore 65 lakh square kilometers. Population of Africa is 107 crore 20 lakh. Africa is the second largest continent in the world, both in size and population. Islam is the dominant religion in Africa. Christianity is the second. Arabic is also the most widely spoken language in Africa. Africa has the shortest coastline despite being the second largest continent in the world. Africa is most centrally located continent in the world. Both the prime meridian and the equator cut across it. The Nigeria has the highest population in Africa. This represents 18% of Africa's total population. Both the world's tallest and largest land animals both come from Africa. They are the giraffes and African elephant, respectively. Around 2,000 different languages are spoken in Africa and each of them have different dialects, while Arabic is language that is most widely spoken in African continent. The world's longest river, the Nile, and the world's largest desert, the Sahara, both are home in Africa. Algeria is the biggest country in Africa by land area. The world's hottest place, Ethiopia, is in Africa. The continent's terrain from inhabitable and remained unknown for thousands of years, earning it the name of Dark Continent. The equator passes through the middle of the Dark Continent and it receives the direct sunlight through the year. The major animals in Africa include cheetah, African elephant, lion, zebra, Egyptian mongoose, giraffe, addax. The largest waterfall in Africa is Victoria Falls and it is located on the Zimbabwe and Zambia border. It has a height of 355 feet and width of waterfalls run into almost a mile. More than 50% of the world's French-speaking population lives here on the continent. Angola, friends, you will surprised to know that Angola has more Portuguese speakers than Portugal. Africa has a pink lake in Senegal. Africa is the hottest continent on the earth. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my new videos at the earliest. Please do comment on my videos. It gives me motivation to make more interesting videos for you. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye.